Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Life Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham. Today's video, what we are planning to talk about is my top 5 tips for going to either a place on the Eastern Caribbean or going to like the Turks and Caicos or to like Seminole Hard Rock. So our first thing that we are going to be talking about is how you get there. So number one, the cruise ship. The cruise ship gives you like a generosity of like some really good stuff for the kids. Each cruise line got their own kids club, okay? Carnival got the following: Club Ocean, Camp Carnival, uh, Circle C, Club O2. All those are for kids. Now, also, they had a couple of adult ones. They had like the nightclub, they had like the casino, and they also had a thing called specialty dining. Now, specialty dining is a little bit on the pricey side because you guys are choosing two, because some ships have three, these have two. Number one is the steakhouse, where you guys can go get like your steak and seafood. And like number two, you guys can go get you can go to like the chef's table and check out what the chef on board picks out for you. And that also combines with wine, beer, and soft drinks. So you guys have to be on a thing which is called Bombless Bubbles, which that's the non-alcoholic, or you guys got an alcoholic one. So like then after that, once you guys get on the cruise ship, you guys go looking around like at the different stuff. Now before COVID, you guys got like a reason to get a PCR test because you do not want everybody on there to get COVID. That would be a bad thing. You guys would not be able to like that. You guys would be watching like a Josh Hogan video, seeing that. Josh Hogan was like stuck in like the different areas. Like then after that you guys have like a couple of different ideas. The free stuff on there is like ice cream, lemonade, and water, and tea. All those are like free, and also coffee. But the coffee bar is not available. So our first one that we talked about was once you guys get on board. Now number two, we talked about Number two, we talked about the different stuff that the kids can do. Now, number three, what we are going to be talking about is like what kind of shore excursions there are. So, you guys got your normal shore excursions, which you guys can do. Like number one, you guys got like a sightseeing tour, or number two, you guys can go snorkeling, or or you guys don't do one of those, you guys can go do like a lot and a lot and a lot of different areas. What's like also it's like also looking around like at the different stuff. You guys got like number one, you guys got like the casino, which has slot tournaments and a lot of different stuff. So like during the slot tournament, you guys got like which you guys gotta sign up, and then after that you guys show your cruise card, and guys also have to show your passport and your thing. And then after that, once you guys got to like the nightclub, this is where it got really interesting, okay? There were two nightlife things that I really did enjoy. The casino, comedy, and also the karaoke. I cannot hesitate that the karaoke on board was awesome because they were picking out songs that anybody would like. And then after that, you guys got like dinner. Dinner, I cannot hesitate, which was really, 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 really good. Okay. Number one, the first dinner on board is just like your typical dinner. Now, the second day you guys get on board, it's like a fun day at sea. So you get up, there's like a sea day brunch, and like then after that, you had several different areas you guys can go to. Like, 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 like on like a couple ships, you guys can go like, like on Royal Caribbean, you guys got Chops Grill, and you guys also got Capo Giotani. Chops Grill is like your usual American steak and seafood. That's like your steakhouse on board. And then after that, they have like a place which is called Windjammer. And then after that, Windjammer, and it's also called a different thing when you guys are like on a carnival cruise. So like on a carnival cruise, you guys got like several different areas. It's like then after that, you guys got like a couple different good ideas, okay? It's like then after that, you guys got like number one, you guys got like different radios. Like number one, there's like different people carrying like walkie talkies. Like number one, your kids. Because your kids, you do not want to keep a part of. They might be inside they might be inside, they might be inside the different areas. Like when you guys go like on board, and you guys, once you guys get to Nassau, you guys have a couple different areas you guys can go to. You guys got Atlantis. You guys got like you guys can stay in the port area because they got red frogs. And they also got a lot and a lot and a lot of different beers. It's like then after that, you guys got like a couple different areas, which is like number one, you guys can go like looking around, like go looking around like at the different places. You guys got like number one, like my favorite night has to be the chocolate pajama, which is also like one of the bestest areas that I have to say, which was really, 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 really nice. And giving like my four ships that I've been on, number one, the first ship that I went on was Carnival Fan Station. Number two was Carnival Paradise. Number three was the Carnival Victory for 2 times. Now, number five, I'm going to be on a ship called the Carnival Legend. But it's like also, it's like then after that you guys got like a couple of different areas you guys can go to. But it's like then after that you guys got like 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 my favorite area. Like my favorite has to be like using like the different stuff on board. They had like a lot and a lot and a lot of good stuff. I cannot hesitate if you guys are going to go look around like at the different stuff on board. You guys have to go look at it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And before I leave, I just want to wish everybody a happy Easter if you are watching us today. Remember to love God, and goodbye YouTube. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys will not miss any videos. Goodbye.